First things first, I just want to say I'm sorry to myself for having a video this late. I This is Tuesday. The whole trading day has gone by and I've not done my weekly analysis that I like to do. Well, last week of course we had the price thing, buy the rumor, sell the fact, which happened on Thursday, which led to this meltdown. On Monday, we essentially saw a retest of 154, 154.2. So a nice shooting star to follow along. And the 4 hour that is really nice. I would like to see a deeper retracement on GJ to take this low, potentially back to 152, and we'll see what happens then. We'll see if the worries about the Delta variant reduce or if they keep on going. Let's do GU first. With GU, I have the same thoughts actually. Although these do look like they could just head lower right now, especially GU. GU looks more primed to head lower as you can see right now. Had a nice retest to 1.388 already, but I would like to see. Sorry, that was my alarm. For this one, we could see 1.38, if not by the end of today. Although this is a bullish candle, we did have a spike and we managed to recover about 95% of that candle. Of course, everything follows the dollar. Before we look at the dollar, let's look at gold. For me, gold is still stuck in this range from last week, and these are the highs and lows of the week 1785 and 1770. So, pretty psychological levels for me. What am I looking for? As you can see, 1780 there is a nice midpoint. Personally, I'm looking for gold shorts. I'm looking for us to break out of this level and right into 1755. I was reading one article that said that the US has had the best economy recovery out of it's the best place to be post pandemic. I guess we're out of the pandemic now since everyone's saying post pandemic, but it's the best place to be in the world. And with countries like Australia and other countries tightening restrictions, the US is looking real good right now. So I would like to see 1755 at least, because as I was seeing the price action on the left, I knew that there's a lot of ping pong back, and which we are seeing replicated here. So I would like to see 1755 tapped. And maybe we could head lower, higher again, but if we do break to the upside, that would be 1800 would be my first point of call on that. But I like gold shorts, and if we see what I mean by that on the lower time frame, what we can see is here we had the spike into 1770, had a nice fit play into 1785, which is still intact there, as you can see, retested those highs right there. That was absolutely beautiful. Retested these highs right here on the weekly, on the lower time frame, on these lows turned resistance. And personally, I would like to see this broken. I don't know when that will happen, but of course, if we want to find out, there's only one place we've got to look. What are the dollar index and US yields doing? The dollar index is about to break 92, which I fucking love. Which means we are about to breach 1775. Marker has been talking about that level. That one. If we are below 92, we'll be above 75. So if we breach above 92, I expect us to go below 75. Can we get that break? Can we sustain it? Let's see. The US yields are primed. For me, this is primed for lovely shut up as person. That's what I feel. Although we had this bearish day, I like how we are back into this range. Retest it and take us over. So this week, fundamentally, the big highlight will be NFP, of course, but today we have consumer confidence showing up later in the day. Something to watch out for. The pound pairs, I am bearish. I'm a dollar bull right now, and we'll have to see what changes that. But for now, fundamentally and technically, I'm looking for GJ shorts, GU shorts, and gold shorts across the board.